Hey guys, this is Mr. King Tutorials, and today I'll be showing you how to make a outline text like mine with this glossy thing. And yeah, it's very easy. So let's get started. You open new file, 1000 by 1000, custom, black, and okay. Oh, sorry. You can make it smaller, yeah, like this. And now you can write something here. I'm gonna write text, yeah, so text, let's make it just bigger. Oh, it's too big. Okay, this is good. Here, okay. Let's get started. Now, go to this thing out here and make it just color. I just make it dark blue, or yeah, dark blue. Let's just make it a little bit darker. Okay, and now here you go and do this a lighter blue like this. Yeah, this is cool. Now you can see here edges. We will make it disappear very easy by clicking to filters, glow. Now you can make it this 100 10. Now you can make it all the colors. I make it just white. Yeah, it looks good. Now you make this 20 or something. It looks good. Let's just make it 25. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, now now let's just fill it here with gradient. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the text. Now we will gonna do that glossy thing. Okay, so just make a rectangle, any rectangle. Is doesn't gonna be very perfect at the center, but yeah, it's good. Oh, this transparent, sorry. And here it's just solid. Okay, let's go to opacity to 30 or something. Nah, 30. No. Yeah, it looks good. It looks very good. Yeah, now it's cool. You can save it and put it as a banner, and that's it. That's my video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.